What is it?
Bananas. You want to stick your finger in it?
No.
The microwave, remove the... Stir gently. Alright. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here it comes. Open your mouth. Alexa.
She don't know how to open her mouth.
Alexa.
She's not crying. She's just
drooling. You see the drool profusely coming out? Alexa, ready? Jimmy! Eat it! Yummy! Wanna try a little more?
I don't think she finished trying that, baby. Let me see. Oh.
We should go with the rice. Rice is less flavorful. You mix it with formula. So it tastes like formula, it's just thick formula. Okay. Open it. I don't think she likes it very much. Not very yummy. See, it's not so bad. It's not so bad.
Not so bad. She's spitting it all out.
Ready? One more time. Let's get a big one. You're used to it now. Ready? Here it comes. Here it comes. She spit before I even got it in her mouth.
I don't think she likes it very much. Poor baby.
Alright, next time we'll try rice.
Need something a little more bland. That was kind of sweet.
That's what I'm saying. We should have just gone with the rice.